Hello Tomodachi! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do a blind taste test. Konbini Chicken. And today, I have a special guest to do the blind taste test with me. And here is... Nanami!
Hello!
She's my sister living here in Japan and she will help me do the blind taste test today.
Hello YouTube! Hello Tomodachi!
Yung mga list ng mga convenience na titikman namin ngayon ng may chicken is 7-Eleven,
Daily Yamazaki, Mini Stop,
and Lawson.
Do.
Karay.
Kenneth score.
7. My score is 7 because I love spicy chicken and nuggets. However, the texture is not crispy enough for me.
10!
なんで？
なんでかというと、私はめちゃくちゃ辛いのが好きで、毎日唐揚げくんをよく食べてて、で、私はよくレッドの方を買うんで、10です。
Guess what? Konbini.
Lawson!
Lawson!
Ah! Yata! Lawson?
なんか私にはノーマルすぎたで、もうちょっと味のついてる唐揚げが好きだから、でも美味しいので5です。
For me, 9. 9. Crispy siya. Yun yung number 1 na gusto. Crispy. However, hindi siya karay. Siguro kung karay to, 10 ang i-score ko. Pero, since hindi siya maanghang, 9. Pero, gusto ko yung juiciness ng chicken. Pati yung, yun, yung crispiness. So, for me, it's 9.
Namay, Konbini. Guess. 1, 2, 3, go.
Daily Yamazaki.
Hi!
It's crispy, yes. However, not juicy. And the chicken is dry. The inside of the chicken is dry. So for me, it's 5.
6 なんかめちゃくちゃ好みの味で、なんかカリカリしてるのが美味しいからです。
Konbini Namay. 1, 2, 3, go.
7-Eleven.
ジューシーで、ちゃんとしたチキンって感じがして美味しいからです。
Kenneth.
Me, 7. Juicy, yes, juicy. And however, not crispy enough for me and not spicy. I can give a 10 score to chicken that is spicy. Because I love spicy chicken. So for me, it's 7.
Namay, Konbini. 1, 2, 3, go.
Daily Yamazaki.
Honey?
Daily Yamazaki. Aray! I gave it a 10 because yes, it's spicy. I love the juiciness. And hindi siya ganoon ka-crispy, pero yung juiciness, yun yung panlaban niya. And yung spiciness. So for me, it's 10.
辛いの好きだけど、ちょっと一般人としては辛すぎるから、私は好きだけど8ぐらいかな。
Konbini Namay.
ちょっと待って、ito eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
7-Eleven.
Score.
7めちゃくちゃ美味しくて、なんかちゃんとチキンって感じがするからです。 私の味にはもうちょっと刺激の強いものが欲しかった。
9.
なんで
Alam ko lasa na to eh. This is Famichiki. Kung di ako nagkakamali, sana di ako mali.
Famichiki?
Feeling ko lang. Parang yung patong-patong niya eh, ganun eh. Pero this one, pang number 6, feeling ko, yun, 9 siya kasi para siyang Famichiki yung lasa niya. And kaya lang hindi siya 10 kasi hindi siya spicy.
Konbini na may seno.
Family Mart!
Hindi ako sabi.
Family Mart! Seven? 6 na lang, 6. It's juicy, yes, juicy siya. And however, it's not crispy, it's not spicy. So, kahit na hindi siya crispy, dapat okay pa rin yung juiciness. Kaso masyadong peppery. So, medyo salty siya for me.
9。味が個人的に好きなのと、めちゃくちゃ油っぽい、ジューシーで、なんか、ちょっとそれが嫌だから1点下げました。
Konbini na may seno.
Mini stop!
Next chicken. Ana?
10。めちゃくちゃ美味しくて、私の味がめちゃくちゃ好みだからです。
11! No, 10 also. I love the juiciness, texture, tamang-tama, crispiness, okay. And bagay na bagay siya sa burger bun. Kasi alam ko, nagaling ito sa isang mga favorite kong convenience stores. Sana tama hula ko, pero yun yung nasa panlasa ko. So, for me, it's 10.
Konbini na may seno.
Family Mart! Wow. 4. Not juicy enough. Not crispy enough. Pero spicy siya. Dapat I should have give it a 3. But since it's spicy, I give it a 4.
5。辛いのは好きだけど、ちょっとチキン寄りじゃなかったから、ちょっと苦手っていうか普通かなって思ったので。
Konbini na may guess seno.
Daily Yamasaki.
Nande 5.
なんかわかんないけどちょっと酸っぱさがあって、でまあちょっと唐揚げに近いのかなって思いました。
For me, it's 8. Parang yung texture niya pang Famichiki din. Pero yun nga, yeah, medyo sour siya. Tapos parang sour na salty na unang kagat ko, sour. Tapos bilang mamaya magiging mararamdaman ng saltiness. Pero yung texture niya is perfect. So that's why I give it an 8.
Konbini na may yes.
Okay.
Okay. Seno.
Famichiki!
Famichiki, Family
Ay,
Mart.
Family Mart!
1, 2, 3, go.
Family Mart!
Okay, the final score for Konbini names. Winner is Nanami.
Oh!
Nanami. Nahulaan niya is 4 Konbini names. Si Ken only 1.
Ah!
Tapos mali sila ng 4.
4つしかないの。
Kanto.
Kenneth.
ケネットはもう色気
Kenneth 1.
なんだ
Okay.
ファミチキじゃん。
Number 1 chicken, Lawson Karagi-kun. Number 1.
Ah!
Nanami
Lawson,
10.
Nanami
Pareho
10.
sila eh.
Correct.
Kenneth 7.
Oh my.
Number 2, 7-Eleven. Popcorn.
Kenneth 9. Nanami 5.
5. Daily Yamazaki. Popcorn.
Oh, popcorn. Kenneth 5. Nanami 6.
Number 4, Mini Stop. Mini Stop.
Mini stop. 7.
Oh!
Nanami 7. Kenneth 7.
Number 5, Family Chicky.
Ah!
Spicy.
Yata!
Nana 8. Number 6, 7-Eleven. Fried Chicken. Nana.
Nana 7. Kenneth 9.
Daily Yamazaki.
Hindi mo sa...
Correct.
Oh, nanami
Nine.
Nanami ski. Kenneth 6.
Ay, number 8, Fami Chiki. Plain. Correct.
10.
Nana.
10.
Pang-winner. Okay, number 9, Mini Stop. Spicy.
Mini stop.
Correct.
Ah, hindi siya.
Mini Stop.
Kenneth 4. Nanami 5.
And last, Lawson. Number 10, Lawson Fried Chicken. Correct.
Lawson. Nanami 5. Kenneth 8. So, the winner is the number 8. Fami Chiki.
Fami Chiki. Winner. Fami Chiki.
だけどなみこれどれだっけこれ、初めて食べたけどめっちゃ美味しかった。
I can say na dito ko napatunayan na wala pa rin makakatalo sa Fami Chiki. This is still number 1. I'm so disappointed kasi this is my first love here sa Japan. Yung sa Lawson Karage-kun. This is my first love before mag Fami Chiki. Kaso naskoran ko lang siya ng 7. Overall experience, masarap lahat. Kung saan mas malapit sa inyo, pwede nyo bilhin. And you can also add it sa kung may rice kayo. Great experience. Natikman ko lahat ng mga karagi sa mga convenience store. Sobrang sarap. And that's it. Thank you, Nanami. Arigato. Arigato. Thank you for joining me today. And thank you to all my Tomodachis out there for continuing your support in viewing my vlogs and future vlogs as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Matane! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Fami Chiki! Fami Chiki!